Welcome to Visionary Designs. As summer begins to wind down and we prepare for the cooler months ahead, it's the perfect time to refresh your front porch with timeless elegance. Today, we'll guide you through creating a modern farmhouse front porch that will embody warmth and sophistication for autumn. If you're looking for refined design inspiration and want to stay updated with our latest videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best in home design. Start with sophisticated textiles to bridge the gap between summer and fall. Opt for throw blankets and cushions in muted autumn colors like taupe, charcoal, and deep burgundy. These elements not only add comfort, but also introduce a touch of seasonal warmth without being overpowering. Choose fabrics that are both durable and inviting, such as knitted throws or velvet cushions. Layering these textiles on your porch furniture will create a cozy atmosphere that transitions smoothly into autumn. A beautifully crafted autumn wreath is essential for setting the tone of your porch. Opt for designs that incorporate natural elements like dried leaves, pine cones, and subtle berries. These wreaths should reflect the season's elegance while welcoming guests with a refined touch. Consider choosing a wreath with a minimalist design or muted colors to maintain a sophisticated appearance. This will complement your porch's overall aesthetic while adding a seasonal charm. Update your planters with a mix of seasonal greenery and flowering plants. Ornamental grasses, pansies, and fall-colored foliage work well to create a visually appealing arrangement. Use elegant containers such as ceramic or metal planters to enhance the sophisticated look. For added interest, arrange planters in varying heights or group them in clusters. This approach adds depth and dimension to your porch while showcasing the beauty of autumn's colors. As the days get shorter, outdoor lighting becomes crucial. Use warm-toned lighting options like lanterns, LED candles, or soft string lights to create a welcoming glow. The right lighting can transform your porch into a cozy retreat for both day and night. Choose lighting with a soft amber hue to enhance the fall ambiance. Strategically place lights around the porch to highlight key design elements and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Complete your front porch with a chic seasonal doormat. Select one with classic designs or elegant messages that align with the autumn theme while greeting guests warmly. A stylish doormat can tie together the overall look of your porch. Look for doormats that feature subtle patterns or refined typography to maintain a sophisticated aesthetic. This small detail makes a significant impact on your porch's first impression. Incorporate subtle autumn accents to add a touch of seasonal flair without overwhelming the space. Decorative lanterns, ceramic pumpkins, or elegant fall-themed signs can enhance the autumnal feel while keeping the design sophisticated. Place these accents strategically to complement your existing decor. Ensure that they harmonize with the overall color palette and design theme of your porch. Now, let's take a look at some beautifully designed front porches, showcasing these autumn-inspired elements. Enjoy this visual tour and let it inspire your own front porch transformation. We hope these tips help you create a front porch that exudes warmth and sophistication as we transition into autumn. Thoughtful design choices will make your modern farmhouse porch a welcoming haven for the season ahead. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more elegant home design inspiration. Share your own fall porch ideas or any questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.